Alright, so now let's try to deduce the shortcut formula to find the height of the tower. Okay, so to find the height, we first need this angle here, APB. To find this angle, we have to apply the geometry. This angle will be 180 minus beta. So this angle will be equal to angle APB plus alpha plus 180 minus beta. The sum of all these three angles is equal to 180, 180, and these 180 cancels out, and we are left with angle APB equals beta minus alpha. Okay, so now let's move further. In this triangle PBQ, we can apply the sine formula. Sine of beta equals h over pb, and in triangle APB we have to use the law of sines, that is sine of alpha in this triangle, sine alpha over the opposite side PB equals the sine of APB, sine of APB over the opposite side AB, and we can further simplify it. Sine alpha only, and sine APB, and here we can write APB as beta minus alpha. Sine of beta minus alpha equals PB over AB is A here, and if we multiply this and these two, we get sine of alpha times sine of beta over sine of beta minus alpha equals, these PB cancels out and we are left with h over A, and if we move this A to this side, that is equal to h equals A times sine of alpha times sine of beta over sine of beta minus alpha. This is shortcut formula. If you apply this, then you can find the height directly. This is how much you moved from A to B, that is A meters, times the sine of this angle into this sine of this angle divided by the sine of the difference of both of these angles. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look at this example. And this, the A here is 30 meters and the alpha is 30 and beta is 60. I have to find the height of the tower. Let's quickly do this. A is 30 times sine of alpha is 30. Sine 30 is 1 over 2 times sine of beta, that is sine of 60 degrees, is square root 3 over 2 divided by sine of beta minus alpha. Here is sine of 60 minus 30 is sine of 30 degrees. Sine of 30 degrees is 1 over 2, and if you can see that we can cancel these two cancels out, and these two, and we can write it as 15, and these two also gets cancelled, and we are left with 15 square root 3 meters is the height of this tower. No tangents required. at all. Okay, so now let's have a look at an example here. Okay, so in this example we have to find how much we walked towards the tower, and we are only given the total distance from the foot of the tower where we were initially. Okay, so to do this we have to first find this edge, and then we can find this A. To find edge we can apply the tangent of 30 degrees. That is tangent 30 degrees equals h over 60, which gives us h equals 60 over square root 3, that is equals to 20 root 3 meters. Okay, if this is 20 square root 3 meters, now we can apply that formula and find the A. That formula tells us that height equals sine A times sine alpha times sine beta over sine of beta minus alpha. That is 20 square root 3 equals A times sine of alpha is 1 over 2 into sine of 60 degrees is square root 3 over 2 divided by sine of 60 minus 30 is again 1 over 2. These two cancels and square root 3 also cancels out, which gives us A equals this 2 gets multiplied by this 20. We get A as 40 meters. Okay.